Hello, my dear JEE warriors. This is your Captain Shreyas, your physics master teacher, and I have been training, nurturing, and guiding kids for more than 13 years. And over these 13 years, many of my students have entered the top-notch engineering colleges like IITs, NITs, BITS, etc. And I know what is the exact confusion that is there in your head. Maybe you are scared to ask or confused, or maybe you're just looking everywhere but not finding the right answer. So I'm here to clear out that confusion. So stay tuned till the end of this video. I'll help you how you should decide a particular book, what are the things that you should look for in a book, and how you should exactly practice, and how the right resources actually end up helping you more than just watching lectures. Because I know you might be sincerely watching, attending the classes, but if you're not practicing enough, then you will definitely find it very difficult to answer the same questions in the examination. So you need a lot of practice. But is just PYQs enough? Definitely not. You need to go beyond that. But you need to solve PYQs as well. You need to use a book which has good quality questions without any errors, has enough variety of questions and builds that confidence level in you. Some books are scary to even start off with. The first question only might go full bouncer. Or some books have very easy questions and you're like, sir, I'm not learning properly. I won't be able to solve PYQs. So you need a book which does everything for you. What if I told you it is possible, and I'll tell you how. Okay, so stay tuned till the end. Now, I know you guys are obviously aiming for the best. You want to get into the best of the best IITs. You have your own dreams. You want to become a particular type of engineer. And for that, you need a very good rank. And that rank will only come if you're able to beat the rest of the competition. Now, what happens? Most of the students are using very similar things. The preparation level is also similar. So the competition becomes tough at the top. So whether you get all India rank 1000 or 1200, it's not much of difference. So you need to stand out. You need to go beyond what everybody else is doing. Understand that you need to practice every model of question because you don't know what kind of question will come in the examination. Just because you have solved PYQs does not mean the same type of questions will repeat next year. Every year you see in JEE Mains, there is a new type of question which is created. And then students are surprised, okay, how to solve this? So you need to be prepared for that particular surprise because those are the questions which will differentiate you. And whichever questions are standard, which are most asked, that you should be able to do. It should not be like, no, I can't do those questions. Those are the must. So my dear warriors, I've often seen many of the books, they are either too difficult and they scare students. Sometimes the solutions are not given, only answer key is given. Sometimes theory is not that great or too much theory is given, which confuses. The books are only very unattractive. You feel only very bored or sleepy looking at the book. Sometimes the books do not have enough PYQs or do not have enough solved examples or enough summary. So all these are the problems in many of the books. And that is why I'm telling you about the Vedantu Tatva module. It's one of the best coaching module which is available in the market. And I'll tell you why. This book has been prepared by a team of experts, and when experts sit down, they have taught students, so they know students' mindset. It's not randomly generated by a computer or random people who have never taught. These are those people who have been teaching continuously for many years, so they know what is required at which point of time, which question should be put first, which question should be put later on. Also, what is important, you get summarized theory, videos, and practice questions of all models for your JEE preparation. I know you are confused how concept videos will come to that in a bit. And the best part is the books are not very huge. These books are very lightweight and easy, comfortable for you to carry. So it's a collection of many books. Every subject is divided into modules, so you can carry any module at any point of time wherever you want to sit and practice. Now, in any of these books, it starts off with solved examples. Like for example, this particular book, you open any chapter, right? It first of all has solved examples, and obviously before that, it has the concise theory. So if you go through this theory notes, you will go through all the points of the chapter, all the important things, any important note, all the important silly mistakes which students do, everything is mentioned in this. And then you have the summary, and then you start off with solved examples. And once you start off with solved examples, you have to see, okay, this question number 25, okay, let me try on my own. I'm not able to do this, so let me look at the solution, the first two lines. Okay, now let me try to do the next part. Now if I'm able to do it, perfect, good. Then we look at the solution. You are still stuck, look at the solution, see what they have done, why they have done, analyze it, and then move on. So solved examples are a must. That helps you build that confidence. And understand, in this particular book, you also have QR codes at regular places. Wherever a chapter starts, something like this, you will see a QR code over here. If you scan the QR code, what happens is you will get concept videos. So you can use the QR code to find the videos on that particular theory concept. If you are stuck anywhere, imagine all the theory pointers covered in those concept videos. So you are confident about the topic, and then you can move on to the next one. Yep. Now what also happens is, after doing the solved examples, looking through the concept videos, then we come to the exercise 1. Exercise 1 is not just questions and questions. What happens is, there are topics which are segregated. Okay, only questions on fundamental units and significant figures. Okay, then next set of questions on error analysis. Okay, next set of questions on, this particular basic algebra. Okay, next questions on vector operations. So like that, you have segregation. Or else what happens, question 1 from topic 1, question 2 from topic 5, question 3 from topic 6. See, that's okay for a test, not for home practice. You know that when you are solving these questions are from this particular topic. If I have understood this topic well, I should be able to solve all these questions. As simple as that. When you solve the level 1, then you go to level 2, then you go to level 3, then you go to level 4. So levels of exercises are there, so that will build that confidence. And even before these levels start, you have the solved examples to build your foundation. And if you want more foundation, then you obviously have your concept videos by scanning the QR code. You also have the previous year papers in these exercises. And these previous year questions, which are segregated chapter wise, so that you don't have to buy multiple books again, is also arranged in topic wise manner. So, you want to solve questions only on, for example, pulleys. So all the questions of pulleys of previous years are been arranged. So that way it becomes very easy to do targeted practice. And for every single question, you have the answer key at the end. And obviously, by scanning the QR code, you will see that towards the end, you will be able to get the complete solutions of every single question. That is very important. All these books have been thoroughly checked by a team of experts, so there are no errors. That is the important thing. Or else sometimes, you start looking at different sites, you start comparing, and it's a waste of time. We don't want you to do that. So guys, this is a collection of 22 books with different levels of exercises, with concept videos, which has detailed theory, summary points, notes, every single thing in a very systematic manner. Any chapter you want to cover, just go sequentially, page by page. You don't have to use anything extra. You don't have to think, okay, what should I do after this? Because everything is sequential. Okay, after this, go to the next page, then solve this exercise, then solve this exercise, then go to the next chapter. So it's a very systematic book for you, with hundreds and hundreds of questions for every chapter, which will give you that confidence for cracking the JEE mains exam, which is going to come next year, or maybe even after that if you're in 11th standard. So these 22 books, you can get it couriered, okay, which has the complete syllabus coverage of 11th and 12th standard syllabus. So as you're watching this video, the link is there in the description box. Just click on this particular link. Okay, it will open up our Vedantu store. You can see the complete set of 22 books, which will be couriered to you, and it's at a very affordable price. A lot of times students spend tens and thousands of rupees to buy many books, and then still you are not satisfied. You also have the color book option. So if you want it to be more attractive and more engaging, obviously go for the colored one. Obviously it comes at a slightly different cost, and you can just say buy it now or add to cart if you want to buy any more stuff. And then Enter all the details, enter your shipping method. You also have options like cash on delivery, and you can enter all the details and then say complete the order. The coupon code is already applied. If it is not applied, make sure it is applied so that you get the maximum price benefit because of watching this particular video. Okay, so that's a very simple way of ordering the book and getting it couriered at your home, right? So my dear warriors, cracking JEE is not impossible. It is actually very systematic, thorough practice which you do continuously throughout the year. You need that dedication, you need that discipline in your life. It's as simple as that. So start your preparation now. Don't be confused. Order these books and make sure you start, making your way for 99.999 percentile. All right. So all the best. God bless you all. Take care. This was Captain Shreyas signing off.